everyone, welcome to G's Kitchen. Today I'm making some stuffed butternut squash. I'm going to use chicken breast and spinach. So I have my chicken breast here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to season it. And I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and some crushed red pepper. Okay, so I have my butternut squash. I already washed it and I cleaned the inside part. So that's where my chicken and spinach is going to go. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in the oven and pre-bake and put it in the oven and bake it halfway pretty much, or a little bit more. And then we'll stuff it and put it back in the oven. So I'm using 2 different containers. This. I'm going to put a little seasoning on it. I'm going to cover it with foil paper. So I preheated my oven at 375. Okay guys, so I have some oil here that I'm preheating. So I could have cubed it. I could have cut it in cubes first, but I chose to do it this way. I'm just gonna fry it a little on both sides. You want to make sure your chicken is already cooked before you put it in the squash. Okay, so let me just turn the chicken. So I'm just gonna fry it on this side, and what I'll do, I'm gonna continue with the other pieces until all of them are fried, and like I said, then I'll flip it in. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do, the oil that's left from just a little bit of the chicken that I fried, I went ahead and put it in my pot, and I have some bagged spinach and some cherry tomatoes and onion. Let's put this here. I'm just gonna saute this a little. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my chicken, and then I'm gonna add it to it. Okay, so here's my tomatoes and onion. Check on that. And my chicken breast that I sliced up, so I'm just gonna add it to my tomatoes and onion. For about 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna add my spinach. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add my spinach. Okay guys, so here's my spinach and chicken with my tomatoes and my butternut squash. So the butternut squash is pretty much cooked. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it together, put it back in the oven for about 5, maybe 10 minutes. And on some of it, I'm gonna add Italian style cheese on the top. So let's finish this up because it's getting really late And yeah, I have work in the morning, so let's see if I could get this finished. I'm actually making it. We actually had dinner ready, so I want to be able to bring this to work for lunch. And then, let's see. Okay, here we go. So I think I have extra on the spinach and chicken. So not all, my whole family don't eat it, so I'll just leave some. They can have it with rice. So the one that I cut pretty much in half, that's the one I'm going to put the cheese on. You can put it on any one, it doesn't really even matter. I'm just doing this one since it's the half, and then I'll bring this one to work. Okay, so I'm going to put it back in the oven for about another 5-10 minutes. Once the cheese is melted on this one, and it gets a little color, then I'll take this one out. Right, in the meantime, I'm just going to clean up. I'll see you guys back in 5 minutes. Okay guys, so I'm going to just put a little bit of paprika on top of my squash. Right, here you have it. My butternut squash with chicken and spinach with Italian cheese. And here, just my regular chicken and spinach stuffed butternut squash. Just want to thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you don't miss future videos. See you guys next time.